Yo, what is up, everybody? It is your boy Poppy Wolf, and we're reacting to a bunch of stuff off of TikTok, and it's gonna be anime stuff. It's just it's just gonna be fun. So let's jump right into some of these videos, shall we? Say you want someone. Say you want someone. Say you want someone. Anime girl, fast hand side. That was a good one. Oh shit, black tapioca. Is this bitch making her own boba? Ooh, that looks so cool. What is she doing? I'm so confused. Can someone explain to me? I'm so confused by this. What is this? Is that tapioca balls? You gotta be kidding me. This bitch made her...
Let's go, Daddy. I just finished doing 10 push-ups. Now I'm sure I can beat you.
Oh, you do not want I will fold you in half. And that's on your college savings.
That's
okay,
on your college savings.
That means I don't have to go to school today.
Alright, fine.
Damn, this nigga said fine.
You ready?
Whatever.
Go!
No.
Anata no taking nikun. What you would desu.
Money!
Chikara akatensaru.
I'm deceased. I'm deceased. That was so good.
If you want snacks. No one.
His arms off. That was a good one. I gotta give it to them. That was a good one. Ah. Oh, they're doing a video for the One Punch Man. Oh shit. That was good. Oh, what the? Oh. They're making him to Sasuke? Ooh, okay. Yeah. Yeah. Call me Sasuke. I hear like I'm gonna take you down. Oh. Oh shit. Yo, they beating this kid. Pose, pose, JoJo, pose, 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 JoJo, pose, pose, pose. I love this song, y'all. You don't even know. They're making an E-boy. Yeah. Okay. This reminds me. This look here reminds me of the video I made for my TikTok. Go follow me on TikTok. It's gonna probably be like right somewhere on the video. But I do like a bunch of like anime boy stuff, and you guys should check that out. Let's keep watching.
TikTok. Just want to share some of the art we make.
Dude, that's so cool.
Really
I love those holographic stuff. I have a couple of them in my room. I have like one for Dragon Ball,
when you look at
one for Star Wars.
My partner and I make this. He draws it. I produce it.
So cool, dude. Maybe I should get more. Yeah, I'll get more.
All right, you ready? Yeah.
Oh damn! And then in the studio.
Hey. Dude, no. You gotta go like, hey. Oh, okay. Wait. No, it's...
Deceased.
Dang it, I knew I shouldn't punch my teacher and have my dog pee on all of our tests. Heather.
No need to worry, sister. Mom's whoopings aren't as bad as Dad's.
Oh
He's
shit.
only gonna get his butt beat so bad that he can't walk anymore.
Yo, that's still bad though.
Oh, so you wanna take that time? Okay, now beat. Whoop that.
No.
It's time for us to beat you.
Oh shit. Okay, the Uno. Oh. Oh shit. Okay.
Get
The dad and the mom going out together. Yo, this is fire. This is a fire one. Oh, dude. Guys, this is a fire video. We gotta give it up to who made this video. This was a good one. We're probably gonna watch part 2 like we'll probably watch part 2 like another time, but God, this is good, man. Anyways, this be it for your boy. Peace out, y'all. Peace and love, peace and love. I will catch you all later. Bye. 今は死んでる。